Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Copilot Money. Copilot is a smart personal finance app designed to help users track their income, expenses, budgets, and savings goals in a visually engaging and automated way. It links directly with your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts to give you a real-time overview of your financial health. Copilot uses machine learning to categorize your transactions and offers smart insights into your spending habits. To use Copilot Money on its website, first visit copilot.money and sign up for your account. After creating your profile, you'll be prompted to securely connect your financial accounts through trusted partners like Plate. Once connected, Copilot automatically pulls your recent transactions and begins sorting them into customizable categories. You can edit these categories to fit your lifestyle or financial goals. Copilot's dashboard displays your monthly budget, cash flow, net worth, and upcoming bills. You can set spending limits for categories like groceries, dining out, or entertainment, and Copilot will notify you when you're nearing or exceeding those limits. It allows you to track recurring subscriptions and identify areas where you can cut costs. The platform is intuitive and visually appealing, making it easier for users to understand where their money goes. It offers detailed analytics, trend tracking, and helpful nudges to keep you financially on tracking. Copilot does charge a subscription fee after a free trial, but many users find its insightful and automation worth the investment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.